Where is, in Greek.
Πού είναι?
Travel phrase. Welcome aboard. Hey you, ready to find everything in Greece without getting lost? Let's have fun and learn fast. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly language wingman. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more resources and free practice. Today's superpower is asking, where is, or in Greek.
Πού είναι?
Imagine a statue hopping off its pedestal and whispering.
Πού είναι?
Because even statues get lost sometimes. Words you'll need. Quick vocab boost. Repeat after me and smile. You've got this. Map.
Χάρτης.
Here.
Εδώ.
There.
Εκεί.
Left.
Αριστερά.
Right.
Δεξιά.
Station.
Σταθμός.
Museum.
Μουσείο.
Bathroom.
Τουαλέτα.
Bus stop.
Στάση λεωφορείου.
Is located.
Βρίσκεται.
Your phrase toolkit. Let's plug words into the magic sentence. You'll sound local in seconds. Core phrase.
Πού είναι?
Equals where is. Polite add-on. Excuse me.
Συγγνώμη.
Example.
Συγγνώμη, πού είναι το μουσείο?
Bathroom emergency.
Πού είναι η τουαλέτα?
Your feet say thanks. Bus help.
Πού είναι η στάση λεωφορείου?
More formal option.
Πού βρίσκεται?
Where is it located? Mini dialogue at the station. Act it out with me. Play both roles. Dramatic eyebrows encouraged. You.
Συγγνώμη, πού είναι ο σταθμός?
Local.
Εκεί, δεξιά.
There, to the right. You.
Εδώ ή εκεί.
Here or there. Local.
Εκεί, μετά αριστερά.
There, then left. Narrator. Your inner GPS cheers and draws a big neon arrow spelling.
Πού είναι?
In the sky. Direction drill. Speed round. Answer out loud. Wrong is fine, loud is better. Q. How do you say, where is the museum? A.
Πού είναι το μουσείο?
Q. Where is the bathroom? A.
Πού είναι η τουαλέτα?
Q. Where is the bus stop? A.
Πού είναι η στάση λεωφορείου?
Say, here.
Εδώ.
Say, there.
Εκεί.
Turn, right.
Δεξιά.
Turn, left.
Αριστερά.
Bonus formal.
Πού βρίσκεται?
Culture tip. Odysseus mode. Channel your inner traveler hero and ask with a smile. From ancient agoras to modern metros.
Πού είναι?
Has guided wanderers. Remember.
Πού.
Means, where, not, how, don't mix it with.
Πώς.
If you love precision, swap in.
Πού βρίσκεται?
And you'll sound like Athena personally plotted your route. Fun image. A maze closes in, say.
Πού είναι?
And a door appears. Beat it in. Lock the rhythm into your memory, clap along. 4-beat chant. Who, a, nai, poo? Whisper the first three, then shout.
Πού είναι?
Add moves. Step forward, look left right, shrug, then ask.
Πού είναι?
Quick quiz. No pressure, smile, guess, then celebrate. 1. How do you ask, where is, in Greek? Answer.
Πού είναι?
2. What's map, in Greek? Answer.
Χάρτης.
3. Say, there, to the right.
Εκεί, δεξιά.
4. More formal, where is it located?
Πού βρίσκεται?
5. Fill the gap.
Πού είναι η τουαλέτα?
Your real-world challenge. Time to play tourist, in style. Find a map, yes, a real or mental one.
Χάρτης.
Raise your palm like you're holding it. Now ask someone, or your mirror.
Συγγνώμη, πού είναι το μουσείο?
If they point.
Εδώ.
Or.
Εκεί.
Follow with a cheerful nod and, if needed, confirm.
Αριστερά.
Or.
Δεξιά.
Sensory hack. Smell coffee, ask for a bakery. Feel cool marble, ask for the.
Σταθμός.
Taste sea air, ask for the ferry gate. If all else fails, imagine a giant arrow in the sky spelling.
Πού είναι.
And march like a hero. Wrap up. You did great, high five. Thanks for listening, keep practicing.
Πού είναι.
And your new vocab.
Χάρτης. Εδώ. Εκεί. Αριστερά. Δεξιά. Σταθμός. Μουσείο. Τουαλέτα. Στάση λεωφορείου. Βρίσκεται.
This episode was brought to you by Synapse Lingo. Swing by www.synapse-lingo.com for more lessons, exercises, and goodies. See you next time.